Hello everyone to all of my Viva Maximals and Viva Primals. It's Friday! And you know what that means? It's time for your another bold review dito sa ating channel. This is yours truly, Harriet, na nag-review ng mga Viva Max content for the time being. So, without any further delay, bago pa tayo magsimula for the review and recap of Lagaslas, featuring new artists BR Veloso and Manang Medina, patayin muna natin yung music. Tapos, siguro mag-like and subscribe kayo. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon for more of your bold review dito sa ating channel, Harriet. Ewan ko, ako may premiere bold reviewer dito sa YouTube. Ewan ko. Tingin nyo, ako ba yung premiere? Hindi naman siguro, no? Pero ayun. Sige. Let's start with the review of Lagaslas. So, Lagaslas is like yung Kwago sa Mulawin pero letter L. So, ayun. Lagaslas is like the, di ba pag sa Mulawin pagaspas, that is wind gust. Lagaslas is like water. Yung running water sound. Yun, di ba? And water is like the subject. Parang may impact yung water dito eh. We've seen water in most of the background. We've seen water like rain, waterfall, yung mga ganito. And it's water is like tumultuous, di ba? Pag rapid yung current, magulo. Medyo wild. And I think this is what this film encompasses, being wild. Yan nga Lagaslas eh. So we meet Edmar, who actually played with himself 4 times in this movie. Yeah, I count. And we meet, what's her name? Yeah, the Charisma. So, Charisma is played by Manang Medina. Kung first time niyo siya nakikita, kasi first time niya talaga to, it's her Viva Max debut. And I think maraming Viva Max stars na mag-debut as solo films na, on their solo films in the future. I saw someone named Salome Salvi, diba? Ayun. So, what can I expect? I expected very low kasi medyo bago-bago dito. And BR Veloso reminds me of a much handsome Sean de Guzman. Yung mukha pa lang niya, Sean dating eh, mas pogi lang eh. Ayun. So, itong si Edmar, he meets up with Charisma every time she takes a bath. And this is the simple case of peeping Tom. So, sinisilipan niya tong si Charisma habang naliligo. And then, ayun, pag uwi niya, he daydreams of having intercourse with her. And it's actually wanking. He is wanking with himself. At ito ay nasisitan ng kanyang nanay na si Ruby Ruby. Oh, Ruby Ruby yung pangalan ng artista. Nanay niya. Enero, Febrero, Marso, Abril, Mayo, Hunyo, Hulyo, Agosto, Setyembre, Oktubre, Nobyembre, Disyembre, Ruby Ruby. Ayan. So, ayun. Motivation. Ayun. So, yan. Kaya meron tuloy motivation itong si Edmar na makipagkita dito kay Charisma. Si Charisma ay being molested, minumolest siya ng kanyang tiyuhin, which we found out later on na inampon lang siya ni Vincenzo, played by Julio Diaz. And the truth is, ini-enjoy ni Charisma yung pag-molest siya ni Mr. Vincenzo sa kanya. Yeah, it's kinda weird. It's kinda weird ba yung tamang term? It's almost as if na wild itong si Charisma, and I don't know. I don't have the perfect terminology for that. Pero gusto niya yung ginagawa niya. Siyempre, doon daw bata siya, Wala siyang kamangmang na minamolest na siya ng tiyuhin niya. Pero later on yun, tumatanda and she kinda enjoyed it. Now, we find out na itong si Vincenzo, he's a rich guy. So, marami siyang nagbibigay siya mga libo-libo para lang sa nilagang baka kasi most of them is for alcohol. Alfonso, yun ang gusto niya. And yes, Vincenzo is an alcoholic. At inaalagaan siya ni Medina, ni Charisma, while after he got a stroke. Pero kahit na may stroke pa rin tong si Vincenzo, pinaglalaroan pa rin niya si Medina, si Charisma. Na yun. At one instance na trinay maligo ni Charisma, nawasak nitong si Edmar yung pinagliliguan ni Charisma. And just like that, exposed tuloy si Charisma and nagduda siya, binubusohan daw ba siya. And dahil nalaman ni Charisma binubusohan siya kasi may erection pa rin itong si Edmar, dito nagsimula yung kanilang relationship. And keep in mind na nangyayari to habang umuulan. So, that's part of this water themed movie. Ayun. Saglit lang I'm just checking my notes. Okay, so when it comes to Medina and Veloso, VR Veloso, they have the chemistry. And napansin ko na dito kay Manang Medina is she moans like Caden Cross. And I have to watch the whole movie on my phone kasi maririnig ng mga kadorm ko itong pagmumon ni Charisma. Yes, high pitch yung moan niya. So, yung mga gustong manood dito, kailangan talaga mababa yung volume nyo. Kasi maririnig din siya na maririnig sa kabilang kwarto. It's as loud as the Caden, you know? Yan, kailangan nyo si Caden Cross. Ganon yung kanyang pagmumuna. Yun. So, yung nanay ni Edmar is a market trader sa palengke. Ayun. She's a vendor. And the market is being subjected by the cooperative to pay 3 million in debt kasi yung presidente nila na si Ofelia, whose real name is Luz Biminda, imbes na bayaran yung renta, sa kanila nagbabayad yung renta yung mga vendor tinakas ni Luz Biminda o ni Ofelia yung pera. So, hindi niya nabayaran yung kooperatiba. And, imbes na singilin si Luz Biminda, siningil ng kooperatiba pa rin yung mga vendor. That is the dilemma na nangyayari. So yeah, this problem with the market will be solved later on in this movie. But I just want to finish this recap. So one of the sex sessions nitong si Charisma at ni Edmar got interrupted when narinig ni Vincenzo yung ungol ni Charisma, and this prompts Vincenzo to check it out. And sa una, this is one of the first instance he checks up on Edmar, hindi niya naabutan, and he just proceeds to play with Charisma. And then there's a scene here where Vincenzo is doing the lower body part, and habang papatakas na to si Edmar, nagawa pa niyang halikan itong si Charisma. Ayun. But on the second time na trinay ni Vincenzo, na nalaman ni Vincenzo nagkikipagtalik itong si Charisma, doon na nalaman, and he fired a warning shot prompting Edmar to escape. So yun. The rest of the movie is developing yung relationship ni Charisma sa ni Edmar. Okay? Yung first instance na hindi natuloy yung pagtatalik ni Edmar sa ni Charisma, nilabas lahat ang libog ni Edmar dun sa manicurist. Ayun. So, I have to look it up. Sino ba yung manicurista? So, wait. Yeah, unfortunately, di ko alam sino dito. Sino yung manicurista dito? It could be Tessa. It could be Catelea or something. And i-google ko na lang, okay? So dito ay na-determine natin na itong si Charisma is about to be rich kasi with regards to attorney Arnold Reyes, she's going to be given the last will and testament of Vicenzo. And unfortunately, the death of Vicenzo didn't come as easy as we all thought kasi on the second time na 'di ba nag-warning shot itong si Vicenzo laban kay Edmar, binalikan ni Edmar to ng itak. So Edmar stabs Vicenzo leading to his death. However, to stop Edmar's rage, Charisma actually shot him. Uh, Edmar didn't actually die but he was incapacitated. And dito nagprofess ng love itong si Charisma hindi kay Edmar, kay Vicenzo, and Edmar was just a tool. Ayun, yun ang nangyari. And yeah, since Vicenzo died, Charisma became rich. She paid off the 3 million anonymously sa kooperatiba and Edmar got jailed. Now, that's the recap of Lagaslas. The music, maganda yung music dito eh. Yung simula parang Crocodile Hunter eh. Di ba may jungles? Dug, 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 dug. Di ba ganun? Yeah, I like the music here. I think it's one of the better edited Viva Max movies. Better edited maganda yung pagkaka-edit niya eh. Yun yung masasabi ko. And currently, sa Viva Max site, it is sitting at 4 stars. So, it's such a strong showing pagdating dito kay Manang Medina. Although, pagdating sa mga critics siguro, hindi naman siya ganun ka-strong. Okay? So, what will I give this one? So, at Letterboxd, I have given 3.5 stars. But on the tier list, so, tier list tayo. Tier list tayo. Okay, at the tier list, this is Lagaslas. Since we got some vibes here na medyo lastful itong lalaki, we are going to give it to the position of Will Bang. Okay? So, such a strong showing dito kay Miss Manang Medina. Congratulations to her. Very good show. Very good performance. Okay? And yes, that is your review and recap of Lagaslas. Tune in this Sunday for Erotica Manila episode 4. I think that's the final episode. At yung Death by Orgasm, and also next Friday, Suki by starring Azzy Acosta. This is your boy, the God Gamer Harriet, telling you goodbye and good night. Bang!